Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about a new type of triangles. Already you learned the different types. In that, special types we will learn. First one is equilateral, and the second one is an isosceles. Why we are taking these two triangles only means because they are having their own specific properties. First, you should know what is the equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length. If it is 6, 6, 6, then we can say it is a equilateral triangle. Okay. So, all the sides will have a equal length. When all the sides are equal, automatically all the angles will become equal. That is the speciality of an equilateral triangle. So, and each angle measures on a 60 degree. That's why we are saying it as a special. Getting? Now, one more we have taken, that is isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Means a triangle in which two sides are of equal lengths. Any two sides are of equal length, then it is called as an isosceles triangle. See here, it is a triangle. This side is equal to this side. That time what happens, you know? Angles, the base angles are also become equal. So, the two sides will be having the same length and base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. It is the speciality of an isosceles triangle. One thing you have to note, in any triangle there is a rule, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Let us take ABC as a triangle. Any two sides you add, AB and BC I am adding. The sum of these two will be greater than AC. Add BC and CA, it should be greater than AB. AC and AB you add, that should be greater than BC. If this condition satisfies, then only it becomes a triangle. Otherwise, it unable to form a triangle. Now we will move to the exercise problems of form 6.4. So, it is related at that property only. The sum of two sides is equal to greater than the third side. Here are the few questions. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? They are asking 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm. First question. Second question 3, 6, 7. First we will take. How to find out whether they are sides? Just apply this only. Sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. Starting these two sides I have taken. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That has become equal to the third side. Okay. Next, these two you take down. 3 plus 5 is 8. Leaving these two, what is the number that is left? 2. 8 is greater than 2. Next, go with the first and the last. Okay. First is 2 and last is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, which is greater than your mid number, that is 3. So here the first one is not remaining 2 or satisfying the condition. 1 is not satisfying. That's why we can't frame a triangle in this problem. Now let us go with the second one. 3 plus 6 plus 7. Starting these two. 3 plus 6 is 9, which is greater than 7. Next these two you take. 6 and 7. 13, which is greater than 3. Next, first and last you take 3 and 7, 10, which is greater than the mid. So, all are satisfying the condition. So, it forms a triangle. Okay. Next, we will move to the second problem. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, they are asking. Just when we join OP and OQ, you can see it becomes a triangle where sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So, the first condition will be satisfied. Next, OQ plus OR they are saying. That means you have to join this also. OQ plus OR greater than RQ. Yes, even that is also true. Next, OR plus OP greater than RP. Even that is also true. Okay. Next, we will move to the next problem of the exercise. So AM is a median of a triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA, that is sum of three sides of a triangle, is greater than 2AM they are asking. Twice of the median they are asking. Okay. So here clue they have given. We have to consider two triangles. ABM you consider first. In the two sides you take AB plus BM, which is greater than AM. Write down that. Call it as an F1. Next, this triangle you take ACM. In that AC plus CM is greater than AC. Okay, that is greater than AM. Just you check it out. Both the sides same is there. Add it. Add 1 and 2. AB plus BM plus AC plus CM. Here AM plus AM. So here AM and CM. AM plus CM together forms what? BC. That you can write. BM plus MC is equal to BC. Instead of these two, I substituted BC. AB as it is, AC as it is, which is greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. Now we got the proof. Yes, it satisfies the condition. Next, we will move to the next problem. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, the sum of the diagonals they are asking. Now what you have to do here means, so you have to consider four triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four triangles you have to consider, and you should apply sides property, that is sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. That concept you should apply. First I have taken ACD, ABC. This triangle I have taken. In that AB plus BC is greater than CA. Call it as an F1. Next ACD you take. This triangle you take. In that AD plus CD is greater than AC. Okay. Now BCD, go with this part. BC plus CD is greater than PD. Next, go with this part. AB plus CD is greater than that one over, I think. Okay, ABD you take down. Here, AD plus BD is greater than BD. Now, call it as an 3 and 4. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. One is what? AB plus BC plus AD plus CD plus BC plus CD plus AD plus AB. RHS part CA plus AC plus BD plus BD. After adding, just observe all are having 2, 2. AB, AB. AB plus AB is 2AB. BC, BC, 2BC. AD, AD, 2AD. Then CD, CD, 2CD. Here also AC and CA are same. AC plus AC is 2AC. BD plus BD is 2BD. Now in all these things 2 is common. Remove 2 common. That time AB plus BC plus AD plus CD you are getting. Here also 2 is common. AC plus BD. 2 get cancelled. We got the required proof. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now we will go with the last problem of the exercise. So the length of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall, they are asking. Okay. So the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, that we are knowing. That means the third side should be less than the sum of two sides. Which are that sum of two sides? 12 and 15. Add and 12 and 15. That is 27 cm. It should be less than 27 cm. And the side cannot be less than the difference of two sides also. So that's why find out the difference. 12 minus 15, 3 cm. It should be greater than this and less than this. So the length of the third side is more than 3 and less than 27. Okay.